On Linux, you may have come across this issue where you're trying to download a Unity version from the Unity Hub, and for some reason this doesn't work. So if I open link, there's nothing's going to happen. The installation will not take place. So what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to wherever your app image is over here, and you're going to drag and drop this app image into your terminal. So I've already done that. In fact, I can do it again just to show it in the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop the app image into the terminal. So like that, and this will point to the app image. Once I've done that, I'm going to close this window, go back to the browser, and whichever Unity version I want, I'm going to right click on it and open link in new tab, and I'll hit cancel. I'll copy this over here, I'll go to my terminal, and I will paste it over here. And once you do that, now the installation process is going to begin. So you'll see it shortly in front of you that right now the installation process is going to start, and then you can do all the stuff where you want. You can add modules, whatever you want, and the installation process will be complete.